Cross River State government set to restore electricity to Bekwarra after 15-year blackout. Ex-Governor Ortom dismisses suspension claims from Benue PDP. Prominent leaders to headline Osun Investment Summit. Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Intensive tutorial for students preparing for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, JUPEP entrance exam and SSCE are currently in progress at Akai Tutors, Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Akai Tutors on 080 38 644 328. Thank you. Nigeria's Vice President Senator Kashim Shettima and former President Olusegun Obasanjo are set to lead a distinguished lineup of speakers at the upcoming Investment Summit in Osun State. The event, scheduled for September at the Osun State University Auditorium in Osogbo, Osun State capital, aims to showcase the state's potential in key sectors such as agriculture, mining, ICT, commerce, and tourism. According to Reverend Bumi Jenyo, Commissioner for Commerce and Industry, the summit is a crucial step in realizing Governor Ademola Adeleke's vision to industrialize the state. The event promises to attract investors and stakeholders, highlighting Osun State opportunities for economic growth and development. The presence of Vice President Shettima and former President Obasanjo underscores the significance of the summit and the state's commitment to driving investment and progress. The event is expected to pave the way for a new era of economic prosperity in Osun State. For details of this story, you can visit latestgist.org. The Cross River State government has finalized plans to revive electricity supply and maintain infrastructure in Bekwarra Local Council, which has been without power for 15 years. According to the Director General of the Cross River State Electrification Agency, Mr. Francis Ekpo, Governor Basi Otu has ordered the immediate deployment of engineers to the site to ensure the restoration of reliable electricity supply to the people of Bekwarra. This development marks a significant milestone for the community, which has endured a prolonged period of darkness. The state government's initiative aims to revitalize the local economy, enhance the quality of life, and bring relief to the residents of Bekwarra. The deployment of engineers to the site is expected to expedite the restoration process, and the community eagerness awaits the return of electricity. For details of this story, you can visit latestgist.org. Former Governor Samuel Ortom of Benue State has categorically denied reports of his suspension from the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Through his media aide, Teve Akase, Ortom described the claims as null and void, emphasizing that embattled Benue PDP chairman John Ngbede lacks the authority to converge a meeting to suspend anyone. Akase highlighted that Ngbede is currently serving a 1-month suspension, rendering any action taken by him as invalid. He reaffirmed Ortom's position as the leader of the party in the state, stating that any meeting or decision made without his consent are null and void. However, Ngbede remains adamant that Ortom's suspension stands, setting the stage for an ongoing power struggle within the Benue State chapter of the People's Democratic Party. For details of this story and many other interesting headlines, you can visit akainews.org or latestgist.org. Just to remind you that intensive tutorial for students who are preparing for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, JUPEP entrance exam, and SSCE, GCE are currently in progress at Akai Tutors, Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67, Oduduwa College Road, off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, you can call the management of Akai Tutors on 080 38 644 328. Thank you for joining me in today's edition of our news headlines. I am Iyaji Joseph Akai, and this is Akai Update. Please subscribe to this channel to be promptly notified of our subsequent update.